Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Talk with Spake.
Today, we're sharing a very gentle, very cozy Christmas moment with you. So sit back, relax, and let's talk about the warmth of Christmas together.
Today, we're talking about something very warm, very magical, something many people love: Christmas.
Yes. Christmas has a soft feeling, a quiet glow, like warm lights on a cold night.
Exactly. But before we talk about traditions, food, or memories, let me ask you, Dylan, how are you today?
I'm good, a little tired, but in a peaceful way. And you?
I'm feeling calm today. Maybe because Christmas is coming and everything feels slower, softer, more gentle.
I know what you mean. When Christmas comes closer, the world feels different. People smile more, lights shine in windows, and even the air feels warm, even if it's cold outside.
Yes, Christmas has a special energy. It reminds us of childhood, family, and small, beautiful moments.
So true. Let's start very slowly with a simple question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Bella, when you think of Christmas, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Just the first soft thought.
The first thing is light, warm, golden light in every home. It feels comforting, like a small hug. That's beautiful.
For me, the first thing is music. Soft Christmas songs playing quietly in the background. They make everything feel safe and peaceful.
Yes. Light and music. The two things that make Christmas feel alive.
And I think that's why people love this season. Not because of gifts, but because of the atmosphere, the feeling, the warmth.
You're right. Christmas is not loud. It's not fast. It's gentle, slow, and emotional.
And that's exactly how we will talk today. Slowly, softly, one moment at a time. So, Bella, let me ask you something. Something a little personal, but very beautiful. When you think back to your childhood, do you have a Christmas memory that still warms your heart today?
Yes, I do. It's a very simple moment, but sometimes simple moments stay forever. Every Christmas morning, I woke up early, before sunrise. The house was dark, but there were tiny lights around the living room window. I used to walk very slowly to the tree and just sit there, quiet, still, listening to the silence.
Wow, that sounds peaceful.
It was no noise, no rush, just me, the lights, and the soft smell of my mom making hot chocolate in the kitchen. Even today, when I smell chocolate, I remember that morning light.
That's beautiful, really beautiful. It's amazing how small memories can stay in our hearts for so many years.
Exactly. What about you, Dylan? Do you have one Christmas memory that feels special, even now?
Yes, I do. Every Christmas Eve, my father used to read a story aloud. The room was dark, only one lamp on, and his voice was slow, deep, and gentle. Even as an adult, I can still hear his voice. I can still feel that quiet moment, the sense that everything was safe and calm.
I love that. Christmas stories always stay with you. The voice, the feeling, the warmth.
Yes, and I think everyone listening today also has a memory like that. Maybe a small one, maybe a big one, but something that makes their heart feel soft.
I hope so, because Christmas reminds us that life is not about big things. It's about gentle moments we share with people we love.
Exactly. And even if someone doesn't celebrate Christmas, they still understand the feeling. A moment of warmth, a quiet evening, a peaceful light.
Yes, that warmth belongs to everyone.
So, Bella, let's talk about something people really love: traditions. Those little things we do every year that make the holiday feel complete. Do you have a Christmas tradition that you still follow today?
Yes. Every year on Christmas Eve, I light one single candle. Just one. I turn off all the lights. I sit quietly and I think about the people I love. It's a small tradition, but it makes me feel peaceful, grateful, and connected.
That sounds so calm, so meaningful.
It is. What about you? Do you have a tradition you never skip?
Yes, I decorate the tree very slowly. I don't rush. I play soft music, I make a cup of warm tea, and I place each ornament one by one. And the last ornament, the very last one, is a little silver star my grandmother gave me. I always put it at the very top.
A silver star. That's beautiful.
Thank you. It makes me feel close to her. Even though she's not here anymore, that little star keeps her memory alive in the warmest way.
I think that's the real magic of traditions. They help us remember the people we loved and the moments that shaped us.
Exactly. And I know many people watching us also have traditions, maybe baking cookies, maybe watching a movie, maybe visiting family, or maybe just sitting quietly like you.
Yes. And no tradition is small. If it makes your heart feel warm, it matters.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
You know, Dylan, we talked about memories and traditions, but there's something even more important.
What's that?
The feeling Christmas brings. Not the gifts, not the decorations, but that soft feeling inside. The one you can't really describe, but you know it's there.
Yes. That warm, gentle, quiet feeling.
Exactly. For me, Christmas feels like a slow breath, a moment where the world pauses just for a second and says, it's okay, you can rest.
Wow, that's beautiful. I think for me, Christmas feels like light. Not bright light, but soft light. The kind that fills a room without saying a word.
Yes. That soft light that makes everything look safe and calm.
Yes. And I think many people around the world feel something similar, even if they don't celebrate Christmas.
Right. Some people feel peace. Some feel hope. Some feel gratitude. And some feel a little emotional because Christmas can remind us of people we miss.
That's true. Holidays can be joyful, but also emotional. And that's okay.
Yes, it's all part of it. Joy, warmth, memories, and sometimes a tiny bit of sadness, all mixed together.
I think that's what makes Christmas feel so human, so real.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. And to everyone watching, whatever you feel right now, joy, hope, or even a little loneliness, just know you're not alone.
Yes, you're here with us, and we're happy you're spending this moment with Talk with Spake.
You know, Bella, Christmas has many beautiful parts, but giving, that's the one that stays with me the most.
I agree. Giving feels like sharing a little piece of your heart with someone.
Yeah, and gifts don't need to be big. Sometimes the smallest ones feel the most meaningful.
Absolutely. Like last year, my niece made me a little drawing. Just a small picture with crayons, but oh my gosh, it meant everything to me.
Oh, that's sweet. Kids always give from the heart. No filter, no pressure, just love.
Yes. And it reminds me that gifts aren't about money. They're about thought, care, and noticing what makes someone smile.
Exactly. Like my mom. She doesn't want anything expensive. She just wants a handwritten letter and maybe a warm cup of cocoa together.
That's beautiful. And I think many families are like that. We grow up, life gets busy. But during Christmas, we slow down and give each other time.
Time, yes. Probably the best gift.
Do you remember a gift that meant a lot to you? Something small but unforgettable?
Yeah. A few years ago, a friend gave me a simple keychain. Nothing fancy, but it had a tiny camera charm on it. Because she knew I love photography. It made me feel understood.
That's it. That's feeling, being seen, being understood. That's what Christmas giving is.
And what about you, Bella? Any gift that touched your heart?
One Christmas, my grandmother wrote me a letter. Handwritten, slow, loving, telling me stories from her childhood and wishing me a life full of kindness. I still keep it in my drawer.
That's beautiful. And priceless.
Yeah. Sometimes the gifts that cost nothing become the ones we treasure forever.
So maybe this Christmas, we should all think about giving something simple, something thoughtful, something warm.
A message, a call, a hug, or even just sitting with someone in silence.
Those are gifts too. Maybe the most important ones.
Yes. Christmas is not about having more. It's about feeling more.
You know, Dylan, when I think about Christmas, I think about traditions. Little things we repeat every year, things that make us feel at home.
Yeah, traditions are like a warm blanket for the heart. Even the simplest ones feel special.
For me, every Christmas morning, my family sits together before opening gifts. We drink hot tea and we share one good memory from the year. Just a small moment, but it feels magical.
I love that simple, slow, connected.
What about you? What's a Christmas tradition you love?
Well, my family has this one tradition. Every Christmas Eve, we go for a walk. No phones, no rush, just walking together under the lights.
That sounds so peaceful.
It is. We talk, we joke, and sometimes we don't talk at all. Just feel the night.
That is Christmas. Not the big things, just the quiet ones.
And of course, we can't forget food.
Oh, yes, Christmas food. Comfort on a plate.
For me, it's my mom's homemade cookies, warm, soft, and the whole house smells like cinnamon.
I can smell it in my imagination already.
What about you? What food means Christmas to you?
My grandmother's soup. Simple vegetable soup. But she makes it with so much love that every spoon feels like a hug.
I love that. Food that hugs you.
Exactly. And Christmas is full of those tiny comfort moments.
A warm drink, a soft blanket, a quiet night with someone you care about.
Yes, Christmas is not loud for me. It's calm, gentle, and full of little comforts.
So, before we wrap up, let's talk about a few useful Christmas words.
Yeah, just a few simple ones you can use today.
Tradition. A tradition is something you do every year. It repeats. It makes you feel connected. Example, our Christmas tradition is walking under the lights.
Cozy. Cozy means warm, comfortable, soft, something that makes you feel safe. Example, this room feels cozy with the lights on.
Comfort food. This is food that makes you feel good inside. Food that feels like home. Example, soup is my comfort food in winter.
Memories. Memories are the moments you remember from your life, especially the happy ones. Example, Christmas gives me beautiful memories.
Giving. Giving means sharing something from your heart, a gift, time, love. Example, Christmas is about giving, not buying.
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
What is one Christmas tradition you love? Example, I love drinking hot chocolate with my family.
What comfort food do you enjoy in winter? My comfort food is warm soup.
What gift made you feel happy, even if it was small? Example, a handwritten letter made me happy.
Who do you like spending Christmas with? I like spending it with my family.
Take your time. Answer slowly and write your practice sentences in the comments.
We always read them, and we love learning about your life.
Thank you, truly, for spending this Christmas moment with us today.
Yeah, it felt really special. Talking about traditions, memories, and the little things that make this season warm.
And if today's conversation made you smile even a little, that's the best Christmas gift for us.
We hope your days ahead are full of light, kindness, and quiet moments of joy.
Take care, stay cozy, and we can't wait to talk with you again.
Happy Christmas.